In this video, you will learn how to subtract integers using symbols. This is the most common method used to subtract integers. Instead of subtracting integers, we're going to use the keep, change method. Some teachers call it adding the opposite integer. We will use keep, change. We are asked to do -8 subtract +6. Sometimes subtracting integers can be tricky. So instead of subtracting them, we're going to use the keep, change method. So we're going to keep the first integer as it is, -8. We're going to change the subtraction to addition. And we're going to change the second integer to the opposite. So the opposite of +6 is -6. Now you have an addition statement which you're really good at solving. When you're adding two integers, when the signs are the same, you keep the sign of the digits. So you have negatives plus negatives, so your answer will also be negatives. And then you just add the two digits together. 8 plus 6 is 14. So your answer is -14. Let's try another example. Here we are asked to solve -12 subtract -5. Since this is subtraction, we're going to use the keep, change method. We're going to keep the first integer as -12. We're going to change subtraction to addition. And we're going to change the second integer to be the opposite. So the opposite of -5 is +5. Now we have an addition statement. Remember, when you're adding integers and the signs are different, negative and positive, you have to take the sign of the larger digit. Since 12 is bigger and it's negative, our answer will also be negative. When the signs are different, you have to subtract the two numbers. 12 subtract 5 is 7. So our answer is -7. So instead of subtracting integers, we will use the keep, change method. This only works for subtraction. You're really good at adding integers. So if you're given an addition statement, just go ahead and solve it. However, if you're given a subtraction statement, this is the only time you will use the keep, change. So then we just end up with an adding statement again, which you can easily solve. This concludes our lesson on subtracting integers.